Hello guys, how are you? Very good morning. I don't know what is the time now. It's a Sunday. I have to go to the church now. Then I have to go to my brother's marriage. Then I'll be leaving to Auto Expo 2019. Like planning to buy a Tiger or BMWs or Honda's African Twin. Thinking it of after 2 years. I don't know what good bike do we get late by that time. As of now, it's in my mind that I have to buy a Tiger or else I have to buy African Twin. Just now I just finished my bath. I'll be leaving to church now, then to the wedding. Guys, I just came from the wedding right now. I'll be leaving to Bangalore for the Auto Expo and Furniture Expo as well. Yes, me and my brother are leaving to Bangalore as of now. It's my brother, Melvin Roy. Cut. Me and my brother just left to Bangalore now. We are just heading towards the highway. Sorry for those humps and all. Until we reach highway, this is what the issue we have. Hope you know how Indian roads are always. And this is my brother Melvin. Please do say hi. He loves driving car and he loves biking as well. Give me a second, I'll close my window. I'll show you the highway now. Some of the highways. Once there. This is NH4, right? But I believe it's NH4. I don't know which one it is. I think. Yes, we just reached the toll as of now. This is the first toll and my brother is getting there for that. We are at Tapsandra. It's near to Tumkur. I don't know for what reason. And this is the first toll. The charge is something around 30. Reaching the toll as of now, first toll, as I just told you. They'll charge you something around 35 rupees, right? 35 rupees they'll charge you. I don't know, it has increased or not. It was since long time I have not been to Bangalore. I think so, something around so many days to believe. Now we just reached here and we're heading towards Bangalore. I don't know how many kilometers we have. We have almost something around 3 kilometers or 55 plus kilometers we have, right? 55 kilometers we have. lots you'll get to see that. So many manufacturing in that. After manufacturing it will be exported to Chitraduga. So that you have good supply of electricity. You see. Yes, my brother wants to have some coffee, so he just want to have a break. I don't know where he loves to have a coffee. Let's check. We'll stop at this lorry point. Right? Done? Okay. We are about to reach the coffee point as of now. Keep slow. Go towards the left a bit. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ left ನಡಿ. Yes, we are near to the coffee point. We'll be reaching within 2 minutes. I think so. Yes. ಅದೇ ಜಾಗ. Left ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಅದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಡೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಐತಲ್ಲ. Okay, I'll show you the coffee point where we'll have coffee whenever we come to Bangalore. ಅದೇ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗೆ ಜಾಗ ಇದೆಯಾ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಫಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ which is there. Wait a second, we'll check. The name is Hotel Prince. We'll check it out. This is the tea here. Visit to come here. Hotel Paradise. They are very famous for coffee. Almost like the Godwell stop here. We just had finished having tea and we are just leaving now towards Bangalore. That is the hotel. Can you see there? I'll focus it. Wait. Yeah, that is the hotel. And it's very good for tea and coffee. Sometimes you'll not get coffee. As of now, like I did not get the coffee. I just had a tea. Yes, we have just reached Bangalore now. The weather is so, chilled. We are in the AC, that's the reason we are getting chilled out here. And we'll be reaching Makery Circle within 15 or 20 minutes, depending on the traffic. I have not seen the maps as of now. As I know the route, how to go to that point. We are reaching. That is the World Trade Center. That is World Trade Center in Bangalore. Brigade Gateways. Right. One thing, if you need Sasta Mall, that is like groceries and all, if you want, if you have GST number and all, you can have a pass to Metro, which is located there. Metro, very good for shopping. Buy in bulk, you'll get lot of discounts. Only one piece, there's no discount. Better than this is D-Mart, according to me. According to me and my brother, like we have visited D-Mart. That is the best one, according to us. Lesser price, good groceries.